How to change language on SoundCloud. If you're trying to change language on your SoundCloud app or website, this is how you do it. Open up any web browser first and head over to soundcloud.com. Just make sure that you are logged into your account. If you are using the app, the settings might be a bit different, but the idea is the same. First thing you do is find your library section. And once you head over to library, you can find your profile icon. Just tap on it. You have to be logged in order to change the language, so just make sure that you are logged in. Now, under your profile name, you'll find the language option. Just tap on it, and here are quite a few languages that you can choose from. So let's say if I want to change it to Spanish, I'm just going to choose this. And now if I go back, as you can see, everything now here is on Spanish. So if I go here or here, everything is on Spanish. And if you want to go back to English, you do the same thing. Head over to profile, tap on language, tap on US English, and then you should be good. That's it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.